The sound of raindrops falls like a dainty waltz, and on my rucksack polka dots begin to bloom. At the usual station, hydrangeas gently sway. Though the sky is gray, my heart feels ever so colorful. When I take a quiet breath, just one, the scent of rain seeps sweetly into my chest. Rain's fragrance brings your dear face to mind, the gaze you wore when you smiled so softly. Do you recall the day we forgot our umbrella? Even that, yes, even that feels precious to me now. On the cafe window, raindrops softly dance, and I exhale gently. An afternoon with milky tea. A little boy in rain boots leaps through puddles. Even his laughter rings kindly through the air. That path we once walked together, you and I. Even now the rain quietly leads me back to it. Rain's fragrance feels so tender and familiar. Even passing strangers seem to ease my heart. If only we could meet again one day, I find myself thinking. And on such days I come to love this rain just a little more. Drip by drip, a patch of sunlight breaks through, and to today's sky I offer my sincerest thanks.